How to fix no access to Instagram music. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix no access to Instagram music or fix Instagram collaboration error. If you're having trouble accessing Instagram music, you could try these steps. First of all, you could go ahead and try clearing your Instagram cache in data. For that, long press the application, after which you want to go ahead and click the app info icon, and then you want to go to storage. Here click on clear cache and this should be able to fix it. After which you also go ahead and check for an update. Head over to the Play Store. On the search box you want to type in Instagram. After which you want to check whether the app needs to be updated or not. In spite of following the steps, you're still unable to fix it, then you could try reinstalling the application. Or else you could also try switching to a personal account if you have a business one. Now likewise, if you cannot access, sometimes it means that the following music isn't available in the particular region or the country. So you could always check with your friends or maybe family member. Or else you could also reboot your phone. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix no access to Instagram. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.